Hello, this is Jeremy Cohen. I'm with Target Print and Mail. This year we had the honor of printing the Love Your Local decals that celebrate small businesses just like ours all over the Tallahassee community. This is what the Love Your Local decals look like. I'm sure you've seen them around town. But when you receive them, this is what they're going to look like because they'll be placed on the inside of a window facing out, and which can be a little bit tricky to install. I'm going to walk through a few tips here on the best way to install your decal so there are no bubbles or wrinkles and you're proud to display it on the front door of your business.
First, clean the surface where it's going to be applied. Carefully line it up. A level can help ensure it's on straight. Then, peel back the backing on one side. You'll want to use a scraper like the one I have here, or a credit card works too. Slowly peel off the backing and apply the decal, scraping out any bubbles or wrinkles. And then show off your local Tallahassee business pride. Thanks so much. I cannot wait to see these up all over Tallahassee.